Alright, here's a philosophy. The only way I'd ever have kids is if I can clone myself. And Dylan has literally cloned himself. Look at this. I'm like, no, don't look at me. I'm cloning myself. I don't like David. Like, Uncle David is bad. But no, Dylan...
He does the saving in
I know it's okay.
Alright, go get Mom.
Wait, do you want to see a goat mask? Or is like Ryan's in the basement? Saying, I'm changing, Dylan. Do you remember that, Dylan?
Yeah, I do.
Sorry.
That's alright.
Let's go outside and philosophize.
Philosophize?
With my nephew Dylan.
Alright.
You ready?
Yeah.
Do you smoke cigarettes still?
Yes.
Alright, let's go smoke a cigarette. Let's talk about philosophizing.
Philosophizing?
Yes. Nice butt. What? What are you doing?
My cigarettes are in the car.
My cigarettes are in my pocket.
Susie, that's you met Uncle David.
Where's he going?
Little Dylan.
He's coming with
Little Dylan, go! I fucking love the universe. That's awesome.
Hey, buddy.
Alien Orthodox handshake. Force, come together consciously. Come together consciously. Let's try it again. Force, come together consciously.
Good job. Look like what?
Wait. Force, come together consciously.
See?
Right here. Force, come together consciously.
You gotta open your hand though.
It's okay. You get it though. In your head. Force, come together consciously. Same thing, different way, right? Oh yeah? It just now hit you? It takes generations. That's my joke. Do you get it? It takes generations for an ow. I'm sorry, Dylan. I love you. I love you. Do this. So I'm just gonna. Alright, it's a sink. Just a sink with two separate parts. Alright. I was going through some things in the universe, and I saw her, and I saw her eyes, and I'm like, I wanna be with her.
So you were delivering mail to
Yeah,
her.
and I saw her. She came up.
She didn't think you were some weird mailman or something?
Well, I am some weird male.
Well, we know that. We know that.
Okay, just listen.
We know that, but
Just-
does
just
the universe know that?
I think the universe created this, so yes.
You know what I mean.
I do. Okay, I'm gonna
This creepy ass mailman. What's
No,
he doing in my
so here's
door?
what happens. I see her and I'm thinking about her all day. And I'm just a sub. So every day I'm somewhere different.
Right.
But I'm thinking about her when I'm going home, like, man, I should have... Like, actually, she was going downstairs and I was looking at her, and, like, to see what apartment she's going in. That's where the creepy mailman comes into play, so I can see, like, what mailbox and, like, see what her name is. Maybe check her out on Facebook and stalk her on Facebook or something. It's really that way in the universe. But she's not on Facebook. So many people have her same name. Damn people.
What's your name?
It's something.
Super common. It's probably.
It's like
Smith.
Joe Smith. That's what his name is. He's a black guy. But, you know, I'm making weird jokes in my own head. Anyway, so here's the real reality. I was thinking about her all day, but I didn't do anything. And I'm everywhere, different places every day, being a sub. But the next day, I'm put on that same route.
Oh, wow.
So I'm able to go back to her house. So I have a piece of paper waiting to leave her a note.
Yeah, I remember seeing something.
And, but once I get to her house, I actually knock on her door this time. She's not home, because I was going to just ask her out. So she's not home, so I kind of feel a sigh of relief, because it's one of those butterfly things, like being a teenager, and like, I'm all nervous. What do I, like, how am I going to proceed my, whatever. So then a little black girl is by her door. And I'm like, do you know who lives there? She's like, yeah. She says her name. Her name's Jennifer. And I'm like, does she have a boyfriend? And she's like, no, why? I'm like, no, I was just wondering, just curious. And I'm all happy. Like, I know she, like, She doesn't have a boyfriend. So now I'm in the truck, trying to find that piece of paper I had earlier. Can't find it. It was just a fucking crappy mailman piece of paper I was going to write on the back. But this other older black gentleman comes out, and he's like, hey, can you wait on a minute? I'm like, yeah, because I'm fucking looking for my piece of paper to write on. He has a letter to give to me. So he comes out with the letter. He's like, thanks for waiting. I'm like, do you have like a notepad or a piece of paper I could write on? He's like, no. He's like, well, let me go ask my lady. So he goes up and he brings down that piece of paper. And it was the butterfly paper. And that's where I write the note on. Like, hello, I was your mailman yesterday. None of this would have happened unless the little black girl existed, the black guy. Me having the same route 2 days in a row, which is almost an impossibility, to leave a note in her mailbox. I think it's cool.
It's interesting.
You still talk to her?
So you still go over there?
I came home from her house today. Actually, that's what my email's about. Her and her daughter. Okay, Mr. Fucking Shoes.
I had to dress up today.
I used to dress up on Easter.
Her brother was all adamant about me wearing a suit with him to church. So.
You look good. I'd have like more like a fuchsia
I would say
or something, but
you look professional, but
But.
But you're that classy, but
that's not Dylan to me.
Yeah?
You look nice. You look good. You look. I want to say some bad things. You look more like a mind manipulator.
Yeah.
So that does fit you. It suits you.
Yeah.
Do you get it? It suits you. You
you.
bastard. That was a
No,
good
you're
joke.
handsome.
It suits you. I'm a dick. I'm supposed to be a dick.
Oh, I know.
It suits you.
I'm not comfortable in it.
I think you look nice.
No, that was philosophical.
you could sell us some
If
cars.
you were smoking marijuana and you heard what he just
Build
said,
some walls.
that'd be philosophical. You're like, no, I'm very philosophical, so I can see things in different ways. You said, I don't feel comfortable in it. In what? In the suit or in yourself?
In the suit. Because
I saw a micro expression. Get away from me! I'll fuck with everyone's mind. But who are you, David? Go ahead, challenge me. Anyway. Ready?
Anyone's getting naked.
No.
Get naked, right?
He just feels like getting naked every now
Oh,
and then.
yeah? That's funny, dude.
I say let him get naked and run around.